We are going to introduce you optimization theory by doing a really good exercise that you will understand much better with our amazing teacher.
Hi guys! So today we are going to do an example about, yes, I don't remember when, optimization theory. So, well, how are we going to do that?
Hi, my name is Rafi, and today we're going to do optimization theory. So, to begin with, can somebody tell me what is a monopoly? Yes,
A discriminating monopolist is a state where a company with monopoly power charges different prices in different markets. According to the characteristics of each market, this presumes the monopolist can clearly identify the source of demand in each market and can properly gauge price elasticity. If it can, it may be able to maximize its profitability. So this definition is from the Law Dictionary.
Thank you, but I can see your computer, so no computer please. So we're going to do the expression of the total profit. Total profit is... total profit is revenue minus cost, which means P1 times Q1 plus P2 times Q2 minus the total cost. Then we're going to find the quantity that maximize profit. So we derive the profit with respect to Q1, and we find Q1 equals to A1 minus alpha over 2B1, and Q2 equals to A2 minus alpha over 2B2. The corresponding prices are P1 equals to A1 plus alpha over 2, and P2 equals to A2 plus alpha over 2. The corresponding profit is P1 squared plus alpha squared minus 2A1 alpha over 4B1 plus A2 squared plus alpha squared minus 2A2 alpha over 4B2. So then we're going to assume that A1 is equal to 5, B1 equals to 1, A2 equals to 3, and B2 equals to 2. And we calculate the new quantity. We found Q1 equals to 5 minus alpha over 2, and Q2 equals to 3 minus alpha over 4. And P1 equals to 5 plus alpha over 2, and P2 equals to 3 plus alpha over 2. The new profit is 59 plus 3 alpha squared minus 26 alpha over 8. If price discrimination is not permitted, then there will be only one price, so P1 equals to P2 equals to P. We solve for this new P, and we find that P equals to 13 over 3 minus 2 over 3 Q. When find a new profit, the new profit is 13 over 3q minus 2 over 3q squared minus alpha q, and we solve p prime equals to 0 to maximize profits. We find that profit is maximized when q equals to 13 over 4 minus 3 over 4 alpha, and p equals to 13 over 6 plus 1 over 2 alpha. The corresponding profit is 169 plus 9 alpha squared minus 114 alpha over 24. We compare the two profits, the one with discrimination and the one without, and we find they are different. The profit with price discrimination is higher than the profit without price discrimination when alpha equals to minus 2 over 9. And alpha is always positive, so the profit with discrimination will always be higher than the profit without. The difference between the two profits is 8 plus 36 alpha. Now, can somebody tell me what is a monopsonist?
Me. Okay, so it's a market similar to monopoly, except that a large buyer, not seller, controls a large proportion of the market. Oh.
Hello? Here!
It's always me, miss.
You're always talking.
Who am I talking to? There's no one there.
Silence.
Controls a large proportion of the market and drives the price down. Moreover, this refers to a situation in which employers differentiate pays between groups of workers who exhibit different elasticities of labor supplies. As there are frictions in the job-to-job mobility of workers, firms may exercise market power even in labor markets with thousands of employers. If there are more frictions in the labor market for women than for men, a gender wage gap may arise as employers exploit this difference and segment their pay policy towards each gender.
Okay, so now Alvaro, tell me what's the difference between monopolist and monopolist.
So an example for a monopolist discrimination would be, for example, airline companies, because they sell various seats at different prices based on quantity demanded. For example, when a new flight is scheduled, okay, like airlines tend to lower the price of tickets to raise the quantity demanded. Discriminated monopolist differs from the discrimination because it discusses the incentives for employers to pay different wages to identical workers to become a discriminating monopolist. Like, for example, employers would like to be able to pay low wages to workers with low reservation wages, but this might be very difficult to observe reservation wages. So therefore, employers are more likely to base wage discrimination rates on non-manipulable characteristics of the workers, such as, I don't know, like tenure and age.
Okay, so now this class is over, and for next time, I want you to find the formula for the profit of a discriminating monopolist. Thank you very much.
I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope now you're much more prepared in the future to solve these types of exercises.